so easy to hear this story, this good news, whether you have heard this your entire life or whether you're just hearing it for the first time today. But let me ask you this question. Does it actually affect you? When you wake up in the morning, even though the world tells you that you are just one in a billion, are you affected knowing that actually Jesus says, no, you were chosen with a purpose? And when you go throughout your day and you face the insurmountable, whether that is a diagnosis, an overwhelming shame, a child who has lost their way, the death of a dream, or even just turning on the news. When you come face to face with these things that threaten to devastate and flatten you, are you affected by the hope in this story? Because Jesus also faced the insurmountable. He was betrayed by his friends, his loved ones. As an innocent man, he died an excruciatingly painful death with his hands and feet skewered with nails. And as he took his last breath, he cried to God, his Father, Papa, Papa, why have you forsaken me? Do you feel that? Do you? Do you feel like God has forsaken you? Because that day when Jesus died, the whole world thought that God had forgotten and forsaken. They laid Jesus' broken, beaten, bruised, lifeless body into a tomb, and they sealed it shut with a giant stone. What is your tomb? What is your reality that has you pinned to the ground, forcing your surrender? For the followers of Jesus, it was that their master was dead. Their friend, their teacher, the one that they were sure was going to revolutionize this world. He was going to right every wrong, every injustice, and wipe every tear away, but now he was dead. But let me tell you a secret. It was only Friday. Yeah. And then it was Saturday, and life was even more cruel and bleak and devastating than the day before, because after the tragedy came the aftershocks, and some of us know that all too well. But they did not know that it was only Saturday. And then it was Sunday, and that stone, that symbol of solidified death, was impossibly rolled away. And the followers of Jesus came, and they saw that the tomb was empty, and an angel came and said, "Why do you look for the living among the dead? He is not here. He is risen!" So church, I need to ask you, why do you look for the living among the dead? There is nothing in this world that has the divine power to roll away your stone to your tomb like the love of Jesus. But some of us are still choosing to lie in our tombs. We have not let the hope in this story affect the way that we perceive our realities. But we must let this story affect us, because it proves that even our darkest, deepest realities do not hold a candle to the truth. And that truth is that